welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm doing my usual weekly meal prep. I didn't do it last week because my house, like I said in a couple videos, is under renovation. Well, my house, my mama's house, the house. So they're like kind of moving up into the upstairs. My living room, the kitchen, everything is looking crazy. So I haven't been wanting to record like that. Like my kitchen, the kitchen is looking crazy. Okay, so this is the kitchen. So yeah, so it's looking a mess, so I didn't really want to record, but I haven't, since I didn't do it last week, I haven't done one, so I was just like, why not? So that's what I'm doing today. I actually already started my meal prep. It's because I was on the phone, so I didn't take the time to do the intro, but I am doing it now, and we're going to proceed with my meal preps. Last week I did this couscous. It was delicious. Okay, so I'm doing that again. Hence the couscous that's here. I'm doing some salmon with some quinoa and some green beans. I'm doing a kind of like bagel tuna melt, and I'm also doing, the other one is just like kind of like hot dog. So I got this sausage, the smoked sausage that I have. So that's what we are eating for this week. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my couscous salad, and yes, I'm gonna show you how I do that because that is delicious, I promise y'all. This is basically like what I want to do, so I just kind of like wing it. Yeah, I can see the ingredients in there, you know. I see the chickpea, I see the olives, I see the tomatoes, I see the feta cheese. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like, you know, Okay, I'm back on the camera. I finally finished all my meal preps. So yeah, the only thing I don't really have is like snacks, but I do have some carrots in my, I have carrots actually in the fridge. I'm not gonna cut them up today because I just don't want to be completely honest. I don't want to. But I do have some carrots in the fridge. So this is the salmon, quinoa, and green beans. Yep, anyways, this is the couscous, like I told y'all, and I have the little dressing here that I made that goes with it. Here it's the tuna mix. Hold on, let me try to open it. Here's a tuna mix, what I'm gonna eat with like one of the bagels. So yeah, and like some cheese. The cheese that I like to use, it's this one right here. So I really do like using this cheese. It's really good. So yeah. So the reason why there's a sausage, just like random ass sausage there, it's for the hot dogs. So I'm gonna be eating it with this. Some probably a little bit of mayo, probably some cheese and some onions, and yeah. So that's like those days when I don't really feel like eating. So yeah. I have some bananas for snack. I have carrots for snack. Okay, yeah, so these are my carrot muffins that I just well, not just did, they've been sitting on the counter for a little moment now. They're warm, so this is what they look like. Let me show you. I put some more because I still had some batter left, so I put it some more on in the how do you call that, the oven. But these are the ones that are currently done. Look at that. It looks good. It really does smell good. Okay, so I really do want to try these. I want to try one. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little skeptical about it. I used the scraps from my juicing, so it has a little bit of ginger in it. It has the carrot scraps. It also has walnuts in there. It has walnuts in there. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this. Hopefully it is good. I would hope it's good, because that would be a great like little breakfast thing. Or it's not bad. It's missing a tiny bit of like sweetness, but to be honest, it's actually good. It's giving a healthy muffin, you know. It's not bad. It's actually good. It's just it's not too sweet. Like it doesn't have too much like sugar in it. It's not that sweet for real, but it's good. I like it. Good breakfast with my almond milk. I got the recipe off of this site, this website right here. Okay. And this is where I got it from. So Hidden Pony or something like that. You can see the top part, but yeah. So yeah. So like I said, I have 2 more that's cooking. I just put them in, so I have a couple like 20-some minutes left to go. I just finished eating dinner. So yeah, so that's about it, yeah. So that's that, y'all. So this is basically my meal prep for this week. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will see y'all in my next video, which is coming pretty soon. Ooh, my bad. Pretty soon. Bye, y'all.